This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to turn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during.
Hi, I'm LUNUAFVY. I'm going to teach you today how to crochet a cute tiger. Let's hook the body part now. First, the first loop is a loop stitch. 6 short needles. Now let's start with the loop stitch. Wrap the string around your finger twice. Grab the string and bring it over. Tail fingers hook the line. Hold the thread up with your index finger and pinch the thread. Crochet round the coil. Bypass line. Hook over. Go around again. A circle of wire and wire round. It's a standing pin. Now we begin to hook 6 short needles. Crochet round the circle. Snag a line. Pull over. Hook the line again. Pull it over here, and that's a short needle. This is the first stitch of the round. We add the marker buckle. This is the beginning of the first loop. We add the marker buckle. Wait a minute to finish this loop. I knew I was done. And then we hook the second stitch. Third stitch. The fourth short needle. The fifth needle. The sixth needle. This V is a needle. Let's count 123,456. There are 6 short needles. After 6 short stitches, we tighten the coil. Take this one and pull it. See which line is moving. And then pull on this moving thread. This tightens the coil. When you're done, pull on this one. This is what it looks like. We cut the thread to the end. That's the end of the first loop. When we're done with the hook, we'll lower the marker. It's here where the button is marked. Crochet through the eye of the needle. Then hook the thread and hook it over. Just hook the line. Tensioning. This is the first loop. And then the second loop. Composed of 6 plus pins. That's 12 stitches. Before we start each loop, they all need a standing pin. Just pull the crochet needle around the thread. This is a standing pin. And then we move on to the eye of the needle that we just pulled. Start at the eye of one of the needles and hook the first stitch. To add a needle is to hook 2 short needles in the same eye. Now we begin to hook the first plus pin in this place that we just pulled. Hook 2 short pins. This is the first one. After checking the first one, we add the marker buckle. Place the second short stitch in the same eye. So these 2 stitches form a plus stitch. The second circle will hook 6 of these pins. Now we begin to hook the second plus pin. Hook 2 short stitches in the same eye. This is the second injection. Then we'll finish the other 4 pins. That's the end of the second loop. We take off the marker. This is where the button is marked. Hook a drawing needle. Pull the thread tight. Hook a standing pin. The third lap is made up of 6 groups, 1 short stitch and 1 plus stitch. That's 18 stitches. We're drawing the eye of the needle here. Hook the first short stitch. Marking buckle. And then the eye of the next needle, hook a plus stitch. To add a needle is to hook 2 short needles to the same eye. Put another short stitch in the same eye. That'll finish the first set. Then there are 5 more groups. Let's start with the second group. A short needle. 1 plus pin. A short needle. 1 plus pin. Let's finish the circle. The third round is LUNUAFVY. Attention, everybody. This needle doesn't count. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Tension wire. A raised pin. The fourth lap is made up of 6 groups. 2 short stitches, 1 plus 1. That's 24 shots in all. We're going to hook the first set now. Hook the first short needle in the place of the draw. Marking buckle. Second pin. 1 plus pin. It's 2 short stitches in the same eye. This is the first group. Then take the second group, the first short stitch. Second pin. 1 plus pin. Then there are 4 more groups. Let's finish it. The fourth loop is over. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Hook a standing pin. The fifth lap is made up of 6 groups, 3 short stitches, 1 plus 1. That's 30 stitches. Now we're going to hook the first set. Hook the first short needle in the place of the draw. Marking buckle. Choose short needles. 3 short needles. 1 plus pin. It's 2 stitches in the same eye. That's the end of the first set. Then there are 5 more groups. Let's hook it up. Take off the marker after the 5th loop. End of drawing. A rice pin. The 6th round is made up of 6 sets of 4 short pins. A plus needle composition. That's 36 stitches. Now we're going to hook the first set. Hook the first short needle where the length is drawn. Marking buckle. The third transitory. The fourth short pin. 1 plus pin. Two stitches through the eye of a needle. That's the end of the first set. 5 more sets. Let's hook it up.